Hello everyone, my name is Eshwar Enugurti. I am from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. I have done my B.Tech from Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, and I am currently in my 8th semester. I have been selected as an incubation student at QSpiders Wakad, wherein I have selected full stack Java development, and my experience in QSpiders was so good. The trainers in QSpiders are very friendly, and the knowledge that they give us is very huge. So the type of knowledge which we get in QSpiders is not compared to any other institutes as I have spent my time. We get to know the things that we don't even know that they have been existed over here. The teachings they provide us are so in depth that that's what my experience is. That after every single topic they take mock interview, and then they see whether the student is getting the topic or not. They get the proper whether they are coping up with the subject or not. If the student is getting less ratings in the mock interview, they again groom the students on that particular topic, so that each and every student should excel in whatever they are learning.